Hey, it's Amanda from supplyhouse.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about the A.O. Smith GPVX-75 ProLine Power Vent residential gas water heaters. The ProLine XE Power Vent gas water heater is designed to maximize efficiency while offering greater flexibility and installation options. This unit features a 75-gallon tank and a 76,000 BTU natural gas or propane burner. It also has a recovery rate of 80.4 gallons per hour. It carries a 6-year limited warranty and meets low NOx emission requirements. It has a first-hour rating of 116 gallons and is 71 inches high with a 26-inch diameter. Features of this unit include a Dynaclean II dip tube that optimizes inlet water pressure to minimize cold water regions within the tank. The hot surface igniter is more robust and reliable than standing pilot and reduces energy consumption. Built-in heat traps on the water inlet and outlet reduce the amount of heat lost through piping. The heater has 2-inch thick, environmentally friendly foam insulation, reducing the amount of heat loss from the unit. Heaters include a versatile power vent design, and all models feature an exclusive 3-position rotatable blower outlet which adds flexibility to venting. Combined horizontal and vertical vents run up to 180 equivalent feet and are permitted with 4-inch diameter venting for use with ABS, PVC, CPVC, and polypropylene. All models are equipped with a protected sensor that detects the presence of flammable vapors and automatically disables the burner to prevent ignition. The air intake snorkel elevates the inlet location of combustion air to prevent flammable vapors from entering the sealed combustion chamber. A state-of-the-art electronic gas control provides more precise temperature control, and an LED control light displays operation status and diagnostics information. For more information, you can visit the resources at supplyhouse.com or email us with any questions.